time under your belt. Let's start at the top. I would go cybersecurity. Everybody's getting hacked. It's hot, but as Bill, I'm sure it's going to be. Cybersecurity is a broad, vast thing, right? You can do database security. So I would go in security and just pick your flavor of cybersecurity.
Okay. All
Right.
right.
Because you can go compliance, project management. There's just so many, but cybersecurity is at the top. Those guys get paid, and everybody's getting hacked. So I think we're gonna have a long runway to get the bag, as the kids say, for about another 10 years. I'm 55. I'm claiming I'm old. I'm like, Bill, I got 10 more years. I'm trying to slide on into it, bro. It's like, the following behind that is cloud, right? Cloud is hot. It can be AWS, Google, GCP. There's so many clouds, Rackspace. But pick you a cloud and master it. I would try to go in the big 3 or the 4. Stay in there. I think cloud. I think probably only 20% of the big companies in the cloud, and the small and the medium-sized companies still need to get to the cloud, right? So that's a special skill set. Okay. And 2, it's a big domain, right? So when you say cloud, is that you're doing a database, app server, DevOps, DevSecOps, but the cloud in general, and put a little automation with that, right? Because you want to click something and spin up 400 of Windows servers, 400 Linux servers, right? So the cloud. Then the other big part of that is, because I've been dabbling on my YouTube channel, is artificial intelligence, machine learning, right? Because that's how you're gonna fire 30 million people, is machine learning. When you go in and you go to the checkout, it's all self-checkout. That's part of machine learning, scanning. If you don't scan it, it a flash of light because it knows you're trying to steal something. If you scan it, don't put it in there so they know to wait, right? So all that's machine learning, and we training the computers to take your job. So I think those, for me, are the big 3 that I think are. Once again, I just need another decade, so I need to get 10 years to slide on into it. So I'm gonna pass the baton off to Bill, man.
All right, so security, cloud, and then AI, artificial
AI, yeah, machine learning. I put those 2 together. Those are the big domains.
Okay.
And there's a lot of room in there, and those domains by themselves make up huge parts of it, right?
All right, perfect. And then we're gonna come back and unpack some of those things.
Oh, I'm ready. I can unpack.